Okay, this is the Iron Man mk85.
At your service, sir.
Pretty cool. Helmet's wearable. It's got the gray silver metallic with the red and gold metallic. Came out pretty cool. Works pretty good. A few days I'll give it a clear coat, but it's pretty much done. Let's see. There we go. That was the trusty Iron Man ring. Activate that. That's pretty cool. Comes with full sound effects from Crashworks. Got the flickering eyes, just like in the movie. Alright, so that's my mk85. Hope you guys liked it. I know I like it. It's pretty cool. It'll go on the shelf with my Mach 5 and my Mach 3. I got one left, and that'll be the Mach 46. It'll be similar to this with the same kind of sound effects. And I'm also working on a Batman helmet, which looks pretty cool so far. Alright, that's it.